In front of me is Honor 200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Passwords Manager. Now to add a password, select Passwords at the bottom left corner and click Add Password over here. Now you can input all of those informations. At the top, pick any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finish, hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!